Hello, welcome back. I'm Veronique Voss. We're continuing on the third part of our Ziggy scarf. Hope everybody is doing good with it. If you have, we're going to be doing the border today and the tassel, making the tassels at the end. And then it's pretty much, that's it. It's done. If you have any questions, go to the link for the Discord channel and would be happy to answer any questions you have, if at all possible, if we can answer. For those of you who are joining their squares by a slip stitch, personal preference, I also like the slip stitch up here where my first stripe joins the squares. You don't have to do that, but if you want to, you have to do it after the fact on this one, on the standard rows, because you will join the stripe to the square. Once you've got that stripe done, then go back through and you work your slip stitch right over the stitches. And remember, keep your yarn, the yarn coming from the ball stays behind the work, not up front. If you put it up front, your stitches are going to lean instead of laying flat. Okay, so the inverted stripes, it will be the same thing. You will do the stripe connected to your squares, then you go through and do the slip stitch after that stripe is done. Here's panel 1. Then you do your stripes, your first segment of stripes, standard stripes. Now you should have panel 2 all put together. Panel 2, all your squares are put together with your slip stitches. Now mind you, this applies to those of you who did it with the slip stitch. You will, once your final stripe is done, your chevrons, you will attach the second panel to the chevron with your slip stitch. Or if you are doing the invisible join, you will do the invisible join to join it together. Then you will start on the next set of stripes, which is the inverted. And from there, it just works the same way. You just keep on going. Okay, the border. This is the border. I started here. It is single crochet every stitch. When you're working across your squares, every stitch gets the single crochet. When you get to your little point, it will be a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Then you work down all the way and then back up to the next point. Just like the directions say. What I did also, I think the directions do say this, went down the side. I did a single crochet kind of a little bigger, and I went into this point to kind of bring it together. And then single crochet up. That's it. Then when you get to the side, you will do 2 single crochets in each end, row end. So there's a row end, you do 2. There's a row end, you do 2. Now kind of watch your tension. If you see it getting a little too ruffled, you don't have enough stitches, undo, add a 3rd stitch every so often and see how that lays. That should lay out better. But it's generally 2, but just look at your tension. So, I will just show real quick. I've done 1 there. I'm going to do another single. Here's the end of the next row. Do 2 singles. End of the row, 2 singles. Just go right around the post. You will see, make sure it's a whole post. Don't go in through here or 3. Find that very last stitch. Last post of the stitch. There it is. Go through 2. Do 2. Next one, do 2. Right there. Do 2. Now that looks a little spread out to me. So lay it down. Nope. It's laying fine, so it's okay. That just looked like it made an awful big gap. It looks fine. So now you just keep going. That's all there is to it. All the way around, and when you get back to where you started, you slip stitch into the first single crochet, and you are done. Now we're going to talk about the tassel. I'm not going to show you the tassel, but there will be a link for a video of how to make one. It's only about 3 minutes long. She does it. It's short and sweet, straight to the point. Me personally, I think I'm going to do fringe instead. Where the tassel's done, each color is 1 tassel. I'm going to do fringe, a strand of each color from the scarf for a fringe. But I haven't made up my mind. I might go back to this. But right now I'm thinking fringe, combining the colors. But you all do what you want to do, and like it was stated earlier, please, please, please send pictures of your scarves. Thank you. Okay, well that's it. Thank you very much for joining us, for doing this. Please don't hesitate to sign up for A Chick That Knits, the email. Any finished pictures, we would love to see them. Sign up, send an email to us. But thank you again for watching us, and we hope you continue to enjoy this project. Thank you very much.